6/12 tax day almost here, and are you missing any documents that could prevent you from filing those taxes in time? Well, multiple people have called KENS after having trouble getting their W-2s from an employer.
Yeah, and if filing taxes wasn't hard enough already, that made filing even more frustrating. So KENS 5's Andrew Moore called the IRS for you to find out what you can do about it.
The federal tax deadline is in just 2 days, but what do you do if you're missing a W-2 or 1099 that you need to finish your forms? Well, we had a chat with the IRS to talk about solutions. Here's what you can do if you need to finish your taxes. What do you do if you can't finish your taxes because you are missing basic information to fill out your 1040? IRS spokeswoman Yvian Serbonis Hernandez says you still have some quick options. Option 1, order a transcript from the IRS.
Employers also have a deadline to give those W-2s to the IRS.
Businesses are required to give your tax information to the IRS, so if your employer did that, you can just ask the IRS for that information. You specifically want to request a wage and income transcript, which should have the same information as a W-2, 1099, or other tax forms. You can create an IRS account to get that immediately. If your employer did not give that information to the IRS, you also have a second option, file Form 4852.
The taxpayer can use their pay stubs of the year in question.
Download the form and use any pay stub information available to fill out this section, and then file this form with the 1040 by mail.
File it along with their tax return.
Lastly, option 3 would be to ask the IRS for an extension to file. But if you likely owe the IRS, Hernandez said you do need to pay what you think you might owe by April 15th in order to avoid penalties.
Even though you can have an extension to file, it is not an extension to pay.
You can use the IRS tax withholding estimator online to get an idea of what you might owe by using your pay stubs. And if you still need to make a payment for that extension, you can do that either online at the IRS website, or you can fill out another form that's 4868, and then you can mail that in with your payment. And we're going to have more details at KENS5.com. For Call KENS, Andrew Moore, KENS 5.
Hey, and if you need help solving a problem, call KENS. The number is right there on your screen, 210-470-KENS. Leave a detailed message, including your name and phone number. Our team will see how they can help.